Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we explore the world of culinary delights. Today, we have something truly special on the menu, the lesser-known facts about Italian Crema Catalana. Yes, you heard it right. While this delicious dessert is typically associated with Spain, Italy has its own unique twist. So, grab your aprons and join me as we delve into the unknown facts of Italian Crema Catalana. Origins of Crema Catalana. Before we dive into the Italian version, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Crema Catalana, a creamy custard dessert with a caramelized sugar topping, has roots in Catalonia, Spain. However, did you know that the Italians have a variation that's equally delectable? The Italian twist. Here it is, the Italian take on this classic dessert. What sets it apart, you ask? Well, brace yourselves for a surprising revelation. While the Spanish version typically uses cinnamon and citrus zest for flavor, the Italians add a splash of their famous liqueur, limoncello. Behind the scenes, making Italian Crema Catalana. Now, let's get our hands dirty and whip up this Italian delight. The process is similar to its Spanish counterpart, but the addition of limoncello brings a whole new level of complexity and flavor. Limoncello, the Italian elixir. Limoncello, a lemon-flavored liqueur from the Amalfi Coast, infuses the custard with a refreshing and zesty kick. It's like a burst of sunshine in every bite. Italians have truly mastered the art of turning a simple dessert into a flavor-packed experience. The caramelized magic. Of course, we can't forget the iconic caramelized sugar topping. The Italians take it up a notch by using a mix of white and brown sugar, creating a rich and nuanced flavor profile that complements the limoncello-infused custard perfectly. Regional variations in Italy. Just like the diverse regions of Italy, there are variations of Italian Crema Catalana that vary from north to south. In the northern regions, you might find a version that incorporates hazelnuts or even a hint of espresso, adding a unique twist to the classic dessert. Historical influence. It's fascinating to note that the influence of the Roman Empire played a significant role in the development of Italian Crema Catalana. The Romans had a penchant for indulgent, creamy desserts, and this culinary legacy lives on in the rich and velvety texture of the Italian version we enjoy today. Serving traditions. Italians are known for their love of family and social gatherings, and Crema Catalana is often featured in celebratory feasts. It's a dessert that brings people together, and you'll often find it gracing the tables of special occasions, adding a sweet note to the festivities. Fusion creations. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Italian chefs have taken the basic Crema Catalana recipe and turned it into something truly avant-garde. I've heard of variations with balsamic reduction drizzled on top or even a sprinkle of sea salt to balance the sweetness. The culinary creativity knows no bounds. Tips and tricks for perfect Italian Crema Catalana. Before we wrap up, let me share a couple of tips for achieving that perfect Italian Crema Catalana at home. Make sure to temper your eggs slowly, and don't rush the caramelization process. Patience is key to mastering this delectable dessert. Cultural significance. One of the aspects that make Italian Crema Catalana so special is its cultural significance. In Italy, the dessert is often associated with holidays and family gatherings. The act of preparing and sharing Crema Catalana is a cherished tradition passed down through generations, creating a sweet bond between family members. Influences from Italian regions. Italy's diverse regions have left their mark on Crema Catalana. For example, in Sicily, you might find a version that incorporates the island's famous citrus fruits like blood oranges or lemons, giving the dessert a vibrant and refreshing twist. And there you have it, the lesser-known, but equally delightful, Italian Crema Catalana. I hope you enjoyed uncovering these hidden facts as much as I did. If you decide to try making it at home, don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking! Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tasty update. See you in the next video.